Yep, it's me again, guys. We got another blog here. I'm gonna show you how to remove this strip bolt from this engine using the right tools. If you ever have a problem and having the same issue I'm having on this engine right here, you're not the last person, and you're not the only one either. So I'm like the same thing as you. I'm using this bolt nuts remover extractor tool set. It's 13 pieces. Come with 13 pieces with a small adapter that'll fit perfectly. On this extractor tools, it's pretty cool because I had this bolt that's super small bolt. It's pretty small. You know, this set right here come with up to 7 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. It's pretty cool. I had a complete set, and then the different about this from the other, that it has a smaller socket, that especially when it comes to 7 millimeter or 8 millimeter, those sockets is very hard to find. So this tools right here, I consider this special tools, I believe, because the 8 millimeter bolt that I was having a hard time to remove it. I tried different type of tools to remove it, and I couldn't do it at all. Even tried the pliers. I even tried to put a 7 millimeter socket to jam it in there, and didn't work either. So I ended up doing match the bolt size from the set I have, and which is 8 millimeter. And luckily this set right here, it does come with an 8 millimeter socket, and that 8 millimeter socket, it worked pretty well, worked pretty good. I jam it in there, I hammer it, I tap it, and use the cordless impact tools, and it broke right up nice and easy, guys. So if you're looking for type of tools that you're having the same problem like I did, don't forget to check these tools right here, guys, and it works really good. Yep. So if you find this video interesting and help your project, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me more, and more video I'm be creating. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Check it out.